In this video, we share our results with extreme cold and wet conditions when applying hawk seal to rejuvenate and rebond millings to create a hard, durable, non-tracking, and non-eroding surface. In May of 2021, we were pushing to do field testing of the HS-21 formula. This test section was laid mid-afternoon with temperatures in the 50s, below what we recommend. Then temperatures dropped to 45 degrees during the night. The 21 solution was applied to uncompacted millings at the rate of 1 gallon per square yard, then compacted with a 2.5-ton steel roller. Heavy rain began 12 hours after the millings were laid and treated. The cold rain and wind continued throughout the following day with temperatures in the 50s. When we inspected the millings 48 hours later, they had cured to a hard, durable surface in spite of the cold and rain. There were some fines on the surface, indicating the millings were not fully set up before the heavy rain began. The millings were hard and not eroded from the rain. When struck with the cutting edge of a flat shovel, they did not chip, signifying that they were hard and ready for traffic. Core samples were taken from the treated millings 60 days after they were laid and treated with the HS-21 solution. The core samples ranged from 2 inches to 2.5 inches thick from an original 4-inch depth of the millings before compaction. Two to 2.5 inches of rejuvenated millings over a good solid base will stand up to normal traffic. Using millings treated with HS-21 can be used to construct a durable, smooth surface for approximately 50 to 60% of the cost of hot mix asphalt, depending on the price of millings. Note, keep in mind the source and quality of the millings used will affect the smoothness and color of your project and may not have the same look as hot mix. For more information using hawk seal with millings, pricing, or a quote, visit our website at hawkseal.com and we'd be happy to visit with you about your project.